Meanwhile, the arrest of Justice Sir Bernard Sakora has made history for the country's judiciary system. The arrest, which has potentially rocked and stained the judiciary system, was made in relation to judicial corruption. Director of the National Fraud Anti-Corruption Directorate, Detective Chief Superintendent Matthew Damaru, told NBC National News today that Justice Sakora will appear in court for mention later this week. Tiffany Twivy of Twivy Lawyers was also arrested yesterday and will appear for mention later this week. Sheila Malkin reports.
Mr. Damaru said police have roughly about 3 months to prepare court files. Once prepared, the files will be sent to the court prosecutions. Then the court will determine whether there's a case for them to stand trial in the National Court. Justice Sir Bernard Sakora, age 68, from Oro Province, was interviewed and charged yesterday by the National Fraud and Anti-Corruption Directorate with 1 count of judicial corruption.
The interview was in relation to a payment he received, about 100,000 from a company called PKP Nominees Limited, and this company is owned by a lawyer who is currently in the center of the payment of legal bills to Paul Parker lawyers. The payment went into the judge's account, and having received this payment, he made no declaration or conflict of interest, and continued to preside over cases that were related to Paul Parker matters.
Police detective also picked up Tiffany Twivy of Twivy Lawyers on arrival from Brisbane from Jackson's airport yesterday afternoon. She was arrested and charged for attempt to pervert course of justice and was granted 1,000 kina bail.
Attempts or actions or inactions in respect to the execution of the warrant of arrest against Dari Vere. Since she initiated the court proceedings, she's never progressed it. It has been continuous adjournment since last year up to now. No action has been taken, and this is seen to be attempt to pervert the course of justice. Okay. She was also referred to Law Society by the Supreme Court, and to be dealt with for disciplinary action for her conduct, and also referred to us, the police, to deal with as we see necessary, and we view this as an attempt to favor the course of justice.
Sheila Malkin, NBC National News, Port Moresby.